As vitamins and minerals can be a minefield, in this video I'm going to walk you through macro minerals, mesominerals, trace minerals and ultra trace, so you can get a feel for what they do in the body and which ones are important. The big key minerals that you need are calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus and sulfur, and a lot of people have never really heard of sulfur or sulphate, and a lot of people are also deficient in this because it's really important for internal hydration as well as blood flow amongst other things, and ageing as well. An example of a mesomineral or middle mineral would be iron, and iron's a double-edged sword because you need iron for making hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying molecule in your blood, and also you need iron to make neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. On the other hand, too much iron in your blood will contribute to oxidative stress, which damages your cells, and premature ageing. So taking iron supplements without a blood test to check you are low in iron can really cause harm to your body. Trace minerals are present in the body in very small amounts, and we often need them for our enzymes, which are molecular machines, to do their jobs. Minerals in this category are zinc, molybdenum, selenium, copper, fluorine, vanadium and manganese. Finally, we have the ultra trace minerals, which are probably important to health, such as cobalt, boron, lithium, nickel, silicon, silver, but the precise biological roles are not known yet and they're still under study. I've made videos already about most of the minerals mentioned in this video, but if there's one in particular you're interested in and want a video on, please let me know in the comments.